Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I am checking out these LED motion sensor closet lights. So these are pretty cool. They're actually 2,000 mega amp hours, I think, on the lights, on the battery. So these should last quite a while. Some under the cabinet lights, they're nice, but if you have the sensor on, they turn on all the time, and they only last like a couple days, and you got to charge them, which isn't bad. But these ones seem to have fairly long life batteries here. 2,000 mega amp hours. They're pretty heavy. Not like heavy. You know what I'm talking about. Not like super heavy, but okay. So we have. Looks like we got our instructions. I can't tell if there's more down there or not. I think there might be. Oh yeah, and of course more USB-C, and then 4 little screws there in the bottom. So that might be kind of easy to see or to miss when you're doing unboxing your product there. All right, and a couple more USB-C to USB wires. Okay, so here we go. These also have big guy here. How's this work? A couple ways that you can attach this. So it has these and those little screws they gave you. They're going to just screw that up into a cabinet if you want, and you can just snap these in there. Or I believe this is magnetized. So you can just magnetic with a plastic or a sticky strip there. You just peel this off, stick it under your cabinet, and that's going to hold down there nicely. Okay. I wonder if this is magnetic also. Yes. I'll see if it's going to stick to my door though. Okay, no. That's all right. So I believe this should have enough charge on here, and you can change the brightness and also if you want a more yellow or whiter light on there. We can just show you how to do that real quick here. Okay, so this first button here is going to be to change the color. So we short press it. What's going to turn on or not right now? Might need to charge it. Okay, unfortunately, some of these, they usually come with a charge or something, and I could just charge it up, but that might not be the case here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it was oh, that is bright. I like that. So long press the 2 switch turns open on constant light, and then you press it once again briefly. Green is night sensor mode, and then red is that. Okay, so sorry about that. So the second button, if you long press it, it's going to just turn on, and then you can have red. The green light is night sensor mode, and red is all day sensor mode, and that's going to come on there. Okay, now that that's on, you can short press it to change the colors. So it's more white, and there's way more yellowish, and there's like them in between. So you have the 3 different colors. That's nice. And then you can hold it down, and it should adjust the brightness there. And you can see that's dimming down quite a bit. And switch that. So I want it really bright though. So there's that. I like the yellow color there. I like that it adjusts all 3 different aspects there, and you can do it brighter or dimmer. And obviously, the brighter it is, the less the batteries aren't going to last as long. But this puts out a lot of light. I mean, look at that. It's pretty crazy. So put that on your desk You can put this in your closet. You could put this in your bathroom or something. These are really handy too when the power goes out or something. It's nice to have these. You can just, if they're stuck underneath your cabinet, you can just pull them off, use them in your bathroom or whatever if you need light in there. So these are really cool, really handy, pretty much anywhere actually. So I'm going to go ahead and stick some underneath my cabinets, and I'll let you guys see how it looks. I think these will look really nice. I really like how you can change all of this. It's pretty much all fully adjustable. Also, you don't have to, a lot of cabinets or whatever, people wire them in, the lights underneath, and it's just kind of a headache. And also ones that don't have batteries built in, you have to charge or you have to change out the batteries all the time. They don't seem to last very long. These have a lot of battery life in there. I want to just double check to see 2000 mega amp hours. This should actually, with an LED, should actually last quite a long time. And motion activated, I don't know exactly how long this stays on. After people leave, okay, so 20 seconds. So if it doesn't detect motion after 20 seconds, it just turns off. So it's efficient, all that stuff. It's really cool. I'm gonna go set this up and let you guys see how it looks. Okay, friends, so if I'm walking into my kitchen here and I want a cup of coffee or whatever, boom, they just come right on. Look at that. I think it looks amazing. Yeah, it's just super convenient. Just walking, it looks all professional. Like you just installed, you just paid someone, a couple $1,000 to install cabinet lighting, hardwire them under there. But look how they're tucked up underneath there. You can't even tell. They go off after 20 seconds. And so that's nice. But if you're still working here on your counter, you're making yourself a cup of coffee in the morning or something, you don't want to turn on the main light and get all super bright for you or anything. You just get your coffee going. And while you're still working here, the lights are going to remain on. So that's really cool. I think it just looks really spectacular. I like how you can change it. If you want the different colored light there, I can just press that. I can make it brighter. Do the different modes here. I can make one like the whiter light. I can make the yellow light, whatever kind I want here. So it's just really super handy. There's one more here. Sorry if I'm pressing the wrong button. And there's that one there. So whichever your preference is, some of the lights that you see, they don't come with the multiple different colors, the ability to dim them or whatever. So this is just really nice. I think it just adds a nice touch to your house. And like I said, you can just pull these off if the power goes out and use them as a flashlight too. 2000 mega amp hours, they should run a long time before you need to charge them. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.